what's this running?
So this is around about 430, around that sort of area, yeah.
Oh man, you can feel that back end bit switchy.
Yeah, 100%, yeah.
Oh! Right, can I have a go?
Yes, you can, you definitely.
What is going on, guys, and welcome to Steph AB TV. Now behind me you will see what I believe, and I'm going to put it out there, is probably the best looking BMW M140i Shadow Edition. Now this behind me is the first M140i done by MOTECH Performance, and I'm going to introduce you to the owner very shortly, but for now, take a look at what I think is probably the best looking M140i. Unbelievable. Okay guys, welcome. Now, let me introduce to you Noor.
Hello, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now I have to say, mate, this looks and sounds absolutely ridiculous.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. No, yeah, it gets a lot of looks and there's a lot of attention.
It definitely does.
Yeah.
So, I mean, tell my viewers, so, you know, who are you, what you do?
Yeah, so I'm Noor. I don't know if you guys might follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Noor Joseph. Yeah, honestly, mate, I'm just like a normal guy. Just a normal car enthusiast.
We're like a normal guy.
Yeah, 100%. I'm nothing special or anything like that. I run Willow Performance.
Yeah.
So basically, what we do, at the moment we're a new company. Yeah. Targeting mainly BMW stuff. So like carbon trim. I don't know. You've probably seen in the little shots that we've done that the car is fully carboned out with little carbon trims. So we deal with loads of things like that. And we're a new company, so we're just trying to get our name out there and get some publicity out there. But this car has our Tricolor Performance. So talk to me. Talk to me about the mods on this car.
Right,
yeah, so this car...
Can we hold one second? Just to put it into perspective. So guys, you guys would have seen the video where I drove a standard one of these. And what are these standard?
So BMW quote 335 standard.
335.
Yeah.
And what's this running?
So this is around about 430. Around that sort of area, yeah.
So this is going to be priceless for me, because when I drove the M140i, I loved it. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But already hearing this when you pulled up to see me, and just hearing it now on the startup, I can tell this is going to be pretty special.
No, 100%. I think it'll be really interesting to see your difference, because you have driven a standard one. Yeah. Going from a standard one to this one, I would like to see what you think of it.
This could get expensive.
It could. It definitely for you, but not for me. For you.
So talk to me. What mods have you done to achieve 430 odd horsepower?
Not a lot, honestly. Okay. Not a lot at all. So these beef shapes have so much potential locked into them from factory. So basically, all we've done is it's a Tricolor Performance tuning box. Yeah. And basically what that does is plugs into the sensor of the car and alters the signal that it receives, that ECU receives. Yeah. And that, coupled with our Willow Performance DK downpipe, that alone will achieve 430 horsepower.
And the look, so this was the first car through the MOTECH Performance package.
Yeah, absolutely. Right? Yeah, 100%. It's MOTECH Edition 001. Yeah. So it adds like the Maxtons, splitters, and the side skirts and the spoiler, and it also lowers it on IBAC lowering springs. And you saw it sits really nicely. The
stance is amazing.
Yeah, yeah. So these are sitting on different wheels. So the standard wheels aren't these.
Yeah, are these CSL wheels?
Yeah, so CSL like wheels. Yeah, I think they're called M359 wheels. Yeah. So and then it's running no spaces as well. So the fitment is really good.
Nice.
Really good.
Right, I reckon we should take this out for a drive.
Yeah, 100%.
Now that I've revived my love for BMW.
No, 100%. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's have a look. tops.
It's not bad.
That's not bad. I like how you say it's so calm and composed. Yeah, it's not bad.
It's all right, yeah.
That's why I'm here like, what the hell just happened?
Yeah, well, I'll get used to it after a while.
Oh my word, that is crazy.
It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. No, it's not bad at all.
And you said, so you've got a decal on this?
Yeah, so this is a Wheeler Performance decal down, but it's 4.5 inch. So it's quite a big decal.
Yeah.
But it just suits the turbo perfectly.
Yeah, man.
So, but yeah, no, it's. How do you? It pulls a lot harder than that though as well.
It does. Wow, it keeps giving as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. So
you got that top end.
Exactly that. So this is one thing that with it, I don't know if you felt it.
Run out of puff towards the top end.
Right at the top, it starts dying off. But this just keeps pulling. So yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, this could get expensive, Nor.
Honestly. This also has a Remus catback exhaust, which is valved.
Yeah.
So when you're on Sport Plus, it opens up the butterfly valves, and then when you're on Comfort, it quiets them down.
So you literally go from like a normal car to an Asbo car.
Exactly that. Yeah.
That is unbelievable, man.
Yeah, no, it is good, and I don't know. Coming from the A45, I don't know if you noticed, the A45 was always loud. It was always like shouty and poppy and bangy. Whereas this was it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
When I do want to cruise and if I'm tired coming home from work or something like that, I can.
Yeah, that's always the benefit.
Yeah, exactly that. But then if I want to go full attack mode, I can do that.
Yeah, I like it, full attack mode. So you had an A45 before.
Yes.
And I guess so it'd be interesting because it's a decision that a lot of people go through, I guess, because they're they're not similar, they're different, but they're in the same ballpark, aren't they?
Yeah, they're compared a lot.
They are compared a lot.
Yeah, I mean, the A45 is great in terms of it lets you extract the power all the time. Whatever weather it is, you're going to have that power all the time.
Yeah.
Whereas you can't do that in an M140. No. You can't, unless the road is bone dry. You're going to spin. Yeah. It's just inevitable. it's just one of those things, unfortunately. However, I truly think that this is a lot more of a driver's car than an A45.
Yeah, well, I think rear-wheel drive in general, you need to be a lot more ready, and the back end can go any time.
And I love that though. I love how I have to drive the car. I can't just put my foot down out of a corner and just let the car do its thing. I actually have to manage it. So the A45 is a great car, and that was tuned by Triple Performance as well. That was stage 4 running 550 horsepower. And I just got on this. I'm like, I prefer this.
So with this now running 430, have you got any more plans for it?
Yes. Yeah. So actually, no, 100%. So tomorrow, we are getting water methanol installed with Triple Performances as well. So they're fitting the water methanol kit onto the car and then readjusting the software on the tuning box to adapt with the water methanol.
So what kind of gain do you think you could get from that?
So we are hoping for 460 horsepower.
And I mean, and what's the most that the block can take without having to go through the forging and all that kind of stuff?
So there's a company in the US called Big Boost, where they change the turbo and a couple of other things, and they've had it up to 600 wheel horsepower, so about 650 horsepower through the crank, on standard internals.
On stock internals?
On stock internals, yeah, 100%. So the block is really, really strong.
Word, mate, I'm absolutely loving this car.
No, honestly, once you drive,
noises.
Yeah, this is nothing, mate. This is down low.
No, man, this is. Oh no, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me, man?
You'll understand what I mean by how punchy it is when you drive it yourself. It's always different being a passenger seat. But even in the driver's seat, you can feel like it's got the power all the way through the red band.
That sounds so good. And I have to point out, so I saw your Instagram story the other day.
Yes.
0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds.
That was a really good launch. That was.
You got it good.
Yeah, that was.
How many attempts?
Do you know what? Honestly, like no word of a lie, that was my first attempt. That day.
Nor's the man. One man launch.
Honestly, that day it was my first attempt.
That's incredible.
And it keeps pulling, that's the thing.
I bet.
You want one, don't you?
I really do. I really do.
Tony Lewis, sort this guy out.
Tony
Lewis, sort this guy out.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
Unbelievable. Oh man, no, but seriously, I mean, my first impressions of this car. So this is stage 2.
This is stage 2.
Stage 2.
Yes. So this is stage 2.
The difference between the stock M140i versus this is it's noticeable. It is noticeable, and I mean, not just from the sound alone. The sound for me, just because I sit in a lot of my videos, and for my subscribers who are loyal to me, will be like, oh god, he's going for it again. But it's 3 things for me. It's like looks, sound, and performance. Those are the 3 things that you need for an awesome car, and this is ticking all of them.
It is, honestly, and it's affordable.
Yeah. Oh man, you can feel that back end bit switchy.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Oh! Right, can I have a go?
Yes, you can. You definitely can.
Flipping hell, mate. These seats are these standard seats?
Yeah.
Maybe I've just got a bit fatter since the last time I drove. Are they hugging me big time?
Yeah, because these got side bolt strings.
Oh, okay. So I haven't just put on.
No, it's not you. It's not you. Yeah.
Oh my word.
Enjoying it.
Speed limit gets there quick, doesn't it?
It does.
Flipping
it does. It gets there really quickly.
Oh my word. Right, so I'm going to try it in Sport Plus.
Yeah, so if you go first gear if you can, and it'll grip fine.
Alright, let's see first gear.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh my god! Honestly guys, I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this car. I literally can't. This is absolutely insane. Yeah, it's a Sport Plus is another level.
I told you. There's Sport anticipates wheel spin.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like it dies it down a little bit. But Sport Plus, you can get onto the power so quickly.
Sport Plus is just like, just try.
Yeah, exactly. Just like go all out.
Just go.
See what I mean by instant response?
Yeah, you can tell, man.
And it does not die at the top.
It just keeps going.
Tony Lewis, get in contact.
Mate, your car is amazing. It's so good. So good. And obviously guys, everything, so Willa Performance, link to their website in the description below. Follow me over here on Instagram for plenty more YouTube stuff. Of course, Nor over here, follow his Instagram as well. But mate, my impressions on this car, absolutely bonkers. Thank you so much for letting me have a go.
You're more than welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Mate, and this is how to sell cars. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
You just got to let people drive this, and Tony from TRL will just be making money. But yeah, no, honestly, a pleasure, mate. Hopefully we'll do more stuff together in the future.
Definitely. I'm always free. Just give me a shout, mate, honestly.
Yeah, and once you've got this done up as well, you know, we'll regroup.
Once we got meth installed there, we'll give you another call back.
Yeah, well, obviously by the time you guys are watching this video, you will have meth.
100%.
Because I'm not going to turn this around in a day. But,
no.
But oh mate, that is insane. But right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and of course I'm going to see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.